From Pilili Rizal to Tanay Rizal, almost 1.5 hour din ang travel namin.
You'll just have to find another route on the road. Pretty baby, as far as I see, you got nothing.
Dito kami dumiretso sa Treasure Mountain. Google Maps lang din ang ginamit namin para makarating kami dito. Buti nga at wala masyadong guest kasi kung nagkataon, hahanap ulit kami ng place to stay. Wala kasi kaming reservation pagpunta dito kaya dapat if you're planning to visit here, message nyo agad sila sa page nila to confirm your stay. Pagdating namin, dito kami dumiretso sa information to avail overnight stay. Overnight stay will cost you 1,500 for 2 packs. This includes tent good for 2, pillows, bed, blanket, and breakfast for 2.
Camping na lang po, ma'am.
Wala na pong available na. Wala na daw.
Kung gusto niyo with activities.
With activities na lang po. Mas makakamura kami ma'am doon.
Same lang po, ma'am.
Saan? Same lang ha?
Parang pinag-isa lang po yun.
Anong mga activities?
Obstacle.
They also offer day tour that will cost you 80 pesos per pax para sa entrance. May mga activities nga din pala dito like obstacle course, giant swing, and giant seesaw.
Yun na lang.
Yung overnight stay na lang.
Apo. Yung ATV na lang.
Ito, spider web.
Para po, doon na lang kayo magpa-payment ma'am sa activity area kung alin po yung gusto niyo
Oo,
para
yun.
makapagpili naman
Huwag mo na
kayo.
yung package.
Ayaw mo kasi nakakasura.
Ito na lang po, no? Isang valid ID na lang.
Kalawa ka na.
Never know, so you gotta let
Thank you.
pick you up and let you down.
After namin dito, sumakay na kami sa shuttle papuntang tent. O diba, social, may pa-shuttle. On our way sa tent, kitang-kita mo agad kung gaano kaganda ang Sierra Madre.
Ay, walang signal dito? Wala. May abok? Ayun niya, meron niya.
Akala ko walang aakyatin bundok. Ang dami pa naming dala, nalimutan ko, nakatent nga lang pala kami.
Ito, tanggal bundok nga ito. Ang liit ng tent, mahal. Mas madami pa yung gamit natin.
So this is our tent, good for 2 packs na to.
Go with me, step 1, 2.
Ang plan talaga namin after namin mag-ayos ng tent, mag-activities na sana kami. Kaso hanggang 4 PM lang pala ang activities dito. Kaya ayan, nag-uli na lang kami at picture-picture.
And you'll be free. Never know, so you gotta let it.
Saan ba talaga punta natin? Pagod na tayo mag-picture. Patabingi tayong maglakad.
Be easy, but your heart is beating loud. So the time's
Ganda ng view, oh.
got to keep your head up. One day there will be no clouds. The sun will come out on the road. The sun will come out. The sun's gonna come out. Lovers road on the road. Lovers road. Lovers road. Never know. So you gotta let it go. Go with it.
Anong chika mo? Wala. Chika na. Wala nga. Ano? Bilin lang. Wala.
Kinagabihan, pumunta kami sa restaurant para mag-dinner and super lawak ng restaurant nila. And pwede din pala kayong mag-charge dito if ever wala kayong dala na power bank. 30 pesos lang yung charge for 4 hours na yon. Ang in-order ko pala ay sisig kay Zara Liempo. Ang dami ng serving nila, 180 pesos lang to per plate.
Poison kiss. 'Cause you feel like it was a wicked break. It's not about
Bago kami umakyat pabalik sa tent, naabutan namin tong bonfire. Magdala pala kayo ng jacket kapag mag-overnight kayo dito. Grabe kasi sobrang lamig ng hangin.
Never know, so you gotta let it go. Go, it picked you up and let you down. Lovers road, took you on a journey, so you'll just have to find another route. Though it could be easy, but your heart is beating.
Ma'am, pwede pong huminga, ma'am.
Go.
Okay, go.
Pagkatapos ito, sir, makita-kita tayo sa tulpo ha. Sabi niyo, light rail.
Teka po, dala.
Dalawa lang to.